Hey friends, if you wish to enable HTTPS only mode in Firefox on your browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Firefox, click on the hamburger symbol, select settings, and then type HTTPS. Now the HTTPS only mode is disabled by default, as you can see. So this means that you can access HTTP websites as well. But if you want to keep your browser secure, then check this option, enable HTTPS only mode in all windows. Okay, and now your browser is secure. Now only HTTPS websites can be opened. HTTP websites cannot be opened even if you try to open them accidentally. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.